Why politicians risk taxpayer money without personal consequences. An eye-opening revelation.
School bus and this one. So for them three there. Oh, and here's why I think they do it. Here's why they do it. You know why they can't do these things and get away with it? Apart from them thinking that we're dunce, dark, and stupid. You know why? Because it's not for them money. Ask him if he had to put up this deal and put fee money, if he would have do it.
He do it.
No. That's all there for the people. Just ask a simple question. Ask, would they do this if it's their money? Because you know why? If them lose all of that money, it not stop him from sleep. It not stop him from eat. It not stop him from from entertaining.
It doesn't stop him from getting paid.
It not stop him from getting paid. It not stop him from doing nothing. But if he had to do it out of his pocket, see, that's the approach politicians should take. They should take the approach that, listen, I'm gonna treat this as if this is my money and me have to invest it because I have to make sure that I don't lose. But when it's somebody else's money where you have to play with, when it's house money you have to play with, when the gambling house money you have to play, win, lose, or draw, you don't care. Because you're not going to feel it. It won't stop you from living the lifestyle that you were living before you enter into the gambling house. Or wherever it is that you go and you get this money and you're going to use it. People gonna have to get up and realize and start take a stand. It's not enough for us to say, well, the man, them thief and the man. Here's the thing, Professor. Here's the thing. And all of the people, we are witnesses to all these things. And if we say, yeah, what are them are thief, what does that make us?
If we know,
We are witnessing. We are witnessing what's going on. And if all we can say the whole of them are thief and them continue to do these things, what does that make us? We are complicit in our own demise. Meaning whatever happened to it, or we are help it for happen. We are help it from to it. Because the question is, what we speaking of where we stick a pin on a point that Kevin, because we still have to get market.